How old were you when you assembled and programmed your first computer? Well, that might not be a relevant question right now. It will definitely be for children in 2 to 5 years. So we are today with Neven Boyanov, who is the founder of Tinosaur, a platform that educates children to programming, and he's going to explain us right away what's that here.
That is a small robot car that you can assemble yourself and then program it. You will receive the small components, the parts, the printed circuit board, and with the soldering iron we'll put everything together. You will use 3D printer to make the wheels, laser cutter to make the chassis, and then you can start programming it.
Who is that designed for?
In general, for students in schools, but also we have people from universities and even older. Basically, you just get an LED, you put it here and you say that it should be turned on. Then you add a small delay of 1 second. Then you add another LED. If you can see here, when I change that number, it immediately changes here. And this way, when students look at the blocks and when they move them around, they can see here that the code changes. And when one day we decided that they should start writing real code, we will just switch to code mode and we can start writing real C programs.
It sounds like the process of building up your own computer, let's say so, includes many different fields. What's the idea behind that?
Actually, the idea of the Tinosaur project is to build something yourself and learn different things from different fields. You will learn some physics, the Ohm's law. You will also learn some programming when you start to write your programs. When you use various sensors, you will learn maybe some chemistry. So the idea is to have a multidisciplinary educational program. Industry 4.0 is approaching all corners of the world, and whether we like it or not, it will be here very soon. And the professions of the future will require you to know a lot of things, not just the subject that you study in school or in university. The platform that we build will allow you to learn all those things together and see what are the connections between them.
Which are your target markets?
At the beginning, our target was the world. And even today, most of our sales, especially for the boards, are outside of Bulgaria. Mostly in the United States, Canada, Germany, UK, Europe, North America. We are thinking about Southeast Asia because it's a region that is developing right now. It's very attractive for good products at sort of affordable price. Boards are like $10, $12, $15, depending what kind of set you have, what kit. For the courses, it starts around $200 to $300. If you are a teacher and you want to have your own course for microcontrollers or robotics, you can go to that training and then you can organize your own workshops, collect fees, and we will support you through all that.
Are you interested in entering the formal education system?
Our platform should be seen more as an addition to the formal education, not as competitor, because kids learn a lot of stuff in school, and we want to keep that, and we want to help them learn more with our courses and with our platform. We want to keep the prices affordable, and one advantage of that, especially for the low price of the boards, is that they could be subsidized by various programs, government, non-government, And some children that cannot afford them can get them for free.